What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to remove and install a toilet. That's all it is as far as removing the toilet. Simple as that. And then here's what you're left with once you take the toilet out. Put the wax ring on the toilet right here, kind of push it down so it stays in place. Another option is to put the wax ring over the flange, just like that. I prefer this method for me because I've had times where I put it on the toilet and as I'm setting it down, the wax ring falls off and then I smash the wax ring and I have to get a whole new wax ring, so I have to make another trip to the store. So this way, I know it's in the right place. I just have to line the toilet up. Alright, let's go grab the toilet. You want to make sure you get this the first try, because if you don't, like I said, you're going to need another wax ring. So, you're going to want to line the screws with this. So, it lines up. Before you push it down, make sure you're in the right spot, because once you push it down, you're done. Alright, so that's the most important part right there. Before we put the washers, we're going to put these on. And on it says on here what side. It says this side up, so make sure you put that facing up. How are you? I know you. Sure. My bad. No, I hold on, I look. This side, you now. You got this side. I did. This side. This side. Oh, right, right. What do you have? So, if you shake, go. And more. Sometimes, in some cases, you want to put it on the floor. It's not behind you. So, in that case, you have spacers. You put it on there, and on the toilet, put it into for some body. Is there any way to do this? You don't want to put it back in the So right here is the water line. You're just gonna attach it right there. Snug it up. That's about it. Alright, a lot of toilets nowadays have these push button flushers. So you probably see these a lot now. So that's what it is here. Here's the top lid. Tight. Also, notice it is white. There's a white and a black side. So in the tank, there's a white and a black area where you're going to line. You're going to put the white with the white and the black with the black, because it indicates if it's a single flush or a double flush. So just line up the white and the black. Got the lid here. Just pop that off. Open it up. Keep both sides. Open it up. And then it also came with some little rubber gaskets that pop onto the back of the toilet. You'll see where it goes here, area right here. So just pop them in. Just like that. Alright, now you're going to set these things here. Take both of them off. Keep the washer on the top part. Take the nuts off the bottom. Last but not least step. Right. Here we go. Then I like to use this stuff here. Silicone refiner, great for spreading the caulk, making it level, nice, and doesn't stick to you and whatnot. So just after you get done with this, you can use Dawn dish soap and water too. Just spray it. Spray it. Alright? Then you can use your finger or you can use one of these caulking tools. It looks nice. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and turn the water back on outside. Right. And you're going to just wipe any water that was left when you took the tank off, so that way you know if there is a leak, you'll be able to detect it. Wipe all that off. Hopefully this video will help you if you do come across something like this, and you'll be able to do it yourself. Follow me for more videos like this.